Hello everyone. Today we're going to do a short gratitude practice. So cultivating gratitude is such an easy way to realize how lucky we are and appreciate our life and our bodies and our circumstances and life. So allowing yourselves to come into a comfortable position and, if possible, turning off mobile phones or distractions, and then settling in your posture, letting the weight drop down into the hips, into the legs, the feet and the ankles, and then a sense of lightness from the hips up, through the spine, the neck and the head, and the shoulders easy, dropped. And then perhaps letting your eyes close. And as your eyes close, opening to the internal experience within. As you breathe in and out, feeling the internal experience of your body breathing itself. Noticing any sounds from far away. Noticing any tingle in the body, any tingling. And from here, just taking a moment to become aware of your toes and your feet. Feeling the area of the floor or any other contact that they're making with textile, and then becoming aware of your legs and knees, your hips, really letting the weight settle down. So that from the hips down, you're feeling the experience of your legs, an awareness of the bone structure, almost of the weight and presence of the legs. And then taking a moment to perhaps cultivate gratitude for your legs, for your ability to walk, to jump, to get up and get down. So a few breaths into the legs, into the feet, into your knees, your hips. Thanking your legs for all that they do. Perhaps smiling into them. And then we move up as we breathe in, moving up from the hips into the back, the spine, along the base, and then up through the middle of the spine, to the upper back and into the neck. Our spine that allows us to move. It allows you to twist, to bend, to stretch, and a lot more. Allowing yourself to really breathe into the spine. Feel it. Thanking it for all that it does. And then moving to the chest, and inside the chest and the belly, all our organs, our lungs, our heart, perhaps feeling the beat of our heart, feeling the movement of our breath in the chest and in the belly. And gratitude for our internal organs in our abdomen, our liver and our spleen, our gallbladder, our pancreas, all the intestinal tract, small intestine and large intestine, the bladder, our kidneys, adrenal glands, and our genital organs. So much to be grateful for here. Showering them with gratitude, thanking them for all their work. And then moving to your arms, becoming aware of your arms, your wrists and your hands, their position, and any contact that they're making with the surface below. Gratitude for your arms and your hands, your ability to pick up things, to signal, to touch, to wave, to embrace. So much more. Spreading gratitude as you breathe down your arms, filling all of your arms, wrists and hands, fingers with gratitude. And then moving up, breathing into the neck, the head, the back of the head, sides, the face. Gratitude for your neck, your ability to move your head, for your brain, your hair, your skin, your skull, your ears, your forehead and eyebrows, your eyes, the ability to see, your nose, the ability to smell, your mouth, your lips, your tongue, your teeth, the ability to eat, to kiss, to speak, in the throat, your voice box, the ability to sing. Gratitude, deep gratitude for all these parts of your body. Breathing into them, showering them with thankfulness. And now linking your whole body from your head down through the chest, the arms, the hands, the hips, the back, the chest, the knees, the legs, the ankles, the feet, the toes. Breathing into the body as a whole. Gratitude for all that it allows us to do, to experience, for life. So if you'd like to stay like this for a little bit longer, being with yourself, with your breath, and with your body, please feel free to. Thank you. Namaste.